Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market both SPY and QQQ gapping up once again. Not sure whether it's going to hold up. But going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. All of them trading above yesterday's closing price. Amazon looks weak as of now. Nvidia and Tesla was in a downtrend, but right now looks strong. Bit confused about the state of the market, not sure which direction it wants to go. So I'll wait for market open to see how these stocks react and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Amazon and Tesla like yesterday. Look how quickly Tesla turned around. Not ready to take it now. I'll wait for all this 5-minute candle to close. So strong. Placing it out at 1260. I'm in. Yep, I'm out. That was a great trade. On the trade, making close to around $250 with 2 contracts. So happy with it. Now, if it wants to make one more new high, I'll be interested. $55 I'm in. My second ad over 724. Didn't get it. 1020 was my ad. I didn't get it. I think I'm gonna get it now. Bad luck there. I didn't get it. Yep, I'm in. I'm in. 3 ads now. I do have some more buffer. Perfect trade. Waited for it. Really liked how I traded today. Was on point. 2 decent trades. I think I'll be done for the day. $642 in 10 minutes of trading. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.